Every morning, you wake up, you do many small things, you follow a routine, but when someone asks you, what do you do in the morning? You don't know how to explain it in English, so you stay quiet or you say only one line. But today, that will change, because in this lesson, you will learn how to talk about your morning routine in simple, natural English, step by step, with real feelings, without grammar fear. Hello everyone, welcome to English with Ayan, and today we are learning how to talk about your morning routine in easy spoken English that you can use in daily life, in interviews, in conversations, or even while practicing alone, because English is not about big words. It is about clear habits, honest emotions, and simple sentences. Let's start from the first moment of the day. You can say, I wake up early. Or, I wake up late. You can add emotions by saying, I feel fresh, I feel sleepy, I feel lazy, or I feel stressed. Sometimes you can also say, I don't feel like getting up, or I feel motivated to start the day. Then you can say, I get out of bed, I make my bed, or I check my phone. After that, you freshen up. You can say, I brush my teeth, I wash my face, and I take a shower, or simply, I freshen up. After freshening up, you can say, I feel relaxed, I feel more awake, or I start feeling active. Then comes breakfast. You can say, I have breakfast, I drink tea or coffee, or I eat something light. And if you want to be honest, you can say, sometimes I skip breakfast. You can also add feelings like, I feel hungry in the morning, or coffee makes me feel energetic. After breakfast, you get ready for the day. You can say, I get ready for work, I get ready for school, or I get ready to study. While getting ready, you can say, I wear my clothes, I comb my hair, and I pack my bag. Sometimes you can add, I feel confident, and sometimes I feel rushed. If you are a student, you can say, I study in the morning, I revise my lessons, or I attend online classes. If you work, you can say, I go to work, I leave home early, or I start my work. At this time, you can say, I feel focused, I feel calm, or sometimes I feel pressure. You can also talk about habits. You can say, I exercise in the morning, I go for a walk, or I do some stretching. And if you don't exercise every day, you can simply say, I don't exercise every day. You can add, exercise makes me feel fresh, or it improves my mood. Not every morning is perfect. Sometimes you can say, I wake up late, I feel tired, or my morning is stressful. And sometimes you can say, I feel energetic, I feel positive, or I feel motivated. This is real English. Now, let me show you how to connect everything into one smooth story. You can say, every morning I wake up early. I feel a little sleepy, but after freshening up, I feel better. I have breakfast and get ready for the day. Then I study for some time and start my work. In the morning, I usually feel calm and focused. Remember, you don't need fast English and you don't need perfect English. You just need clear English. Practice speaking for 1 minute every day. Speak in front of a mirror, speak while walking, or record your voice. Mistakes are okay, pauses are okay, silence is okay. What matters is that you keep speaking. So next time someone asks you, what do you do in the morning? You will smile, you will feel confident, and you will explain your morning routine easily in English. Thank you for watching English with Ayan. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.